Hey guys, it's Robin the Lady Biker, and it's our trip to the Sequoia National Forest, and we're getting a little bit later start than we planned. So I'm here at the Visalia Harley-Davidson dealership just west, I think it is, of Sequoia National Park. And oh my gosh, thank you so much to Ryan and Justin in the service department, because I had some wires come loose and it shorted out in my brake, or it was about to short out my brake lights, which caused a whole bunch of problems, but they found the problem quickly, and Allie and I are on the road now, so we're gonna show you the park as we go. Hey guys, we have made it here into the park, and we've not gone too very far yet, but we're starting to hit all of the crazy switchbacks. But it is, we haven't found the big trees yet. Of course, I think we've only been on the park wet hunting for about 5 miles.
Yeah, just a couple miles.
Yeah, and it is, even just what we're in so far is so incredibly beautiful. Definitely would not recommend this ride for a brand new rider. You want to have at least some experience, because there are a lot of switchbacks and the terrain is
Unforgiving.
good choice of words, baby, because there's a few places that it's like, seriously, there's no wall and it is a drop off. Ooh, we just crossed 3,000 feet. So guys, yeah, we're just going to keep going up and up and up the mountain and eventually back down. But there's several places up here that we're hoping that we're going to be able to find, to be able to park and walk and maybe just show y'all some of the beauty that is the Sequoia National Park. Hey guys, I hope I caught the footage coming around that one corner, but we've just cleared 5,000 feet. We've already gained about easy 3,000 feet of elevation just since we entered the park. And you can start to see the formations and the trees change. Oh. And I got a little bit of a laugh earlier because we stopped at this overlook. And I'm thinking, man, we've been riding in these switchbacks for like a really, really long time. And what is it, babe? We're maybe like 1/5 of the way into the park.
Yeah, if that.
But oh my gosh, no, the trees are starting to change. And they're getting bigger, and oh, it's beautiful here. guys, well, because of our very late start today, we weren't able to, we had to make a choice between riding and hiking, and we chose to ride because we can come back and hike because we're still trying to learn the park and everything. But this ride has been amazing. As you saw, we rode right through some of the most stunningly beautiful trees. But I mean, hold up, let me show you this. Oh my gosh, you gotta check this out, guys. Look at this. Here we go. I mean, that is just, it's beautiful. And then we parked here not knowing it. We just kind of stumbled on this cool little rock garden too. Okay guys, so we're gonna stop here for a bit. We're gonna get some water, maybe get a snack, because oh gosh, we've put in probably about 70 miles of some of the most beautiful, challenging, twisty, just gorgeous rides. So we've got a little bit ways to go because this whole loop, not including our trip back to our campsite or to the Harley dealership that we had to do earlier today, just the loop today in and around the park, what is like 106 miles of just stunningly beautiful riding. So anyway guys, we're gonna show you just a little bit more before we finish up. Guys, we are here on Highway 245, I believe, and it is just as amazing as it was going through the Sequoia and actually the Kings Canyon National Park as well. There were actually two parks that butt up against each other. This is technically part of the Sequoia National Forest, but oh my gosh, this is going to be a crazy ride home. It's going to be fun. Anyway, it's just been a magnificent day. So babe, tell me, what has been the best part about it for you?
I think some of the people we met. So when we first stopped, we met that couple, including Olga, who wanted to get into YouTube.
That's right, yeah.
And then the other lady we met, who really liked your saying, get out and ride. And she related it to her friend. And her friend is getting a new lease on life, and he's getting out to ride in an electric wheelchair. And how it can mean so much to different people.
Yeah, freedom comes in all different forms, that is for sure. Oh my goodness, I'm having to pay attention to this road. This is crazy. It's fun. Once again, we said not new riders because, how'd you put it, the terrain's unforgiving?
Yep.
Anyway, for me, some of it is just, the people have been amazing. The challenging rides. The beauty, oh my gosh, the sequoias and what were they called? It was that pine tree.
I don't remember.
Ponderosa pine.
Yep.
The Ponderosa pines. Those are just some of the most magnificent, huge, stunningly beautiful trees. Guys, this has been phenomenal. Now, as I said in the earlier clip, oh, hello, talk about a narrow road. We had to, because of a late start this morning had a short from a wire that had just been bumped out of place and had rubbed and it shorted out. Caused a problem and got in, and the Visalia, hope I said that right, Harley-Davidson dealership, they took care of me. They got me in and out in about an hour and a half. And
that's from just showing up.
Yeah, we just walked in and they got us out in like an hour and a half. I was so grateful and so impressed.
And that was Ryan and
Justin. Yeah, the guys were just great. You know, yeah, that's another set of people that we met today that were just fantastic. And anyway, we got a late start, so we didn't get to do the hiking we wanted to do. But after seeing this road, I want to come back and ride this again. But also, it gives us a good excuse to come back to the national parks and do some hiking and plan a trip out a little bit. Guys, we're going to be back. So, any parting thoughts, my love?
Get out and enjoy. It's beautiful out here.
It is that.
And we're happy to be able to share it with you.
You know, I think that... Oh, I heard that kickstand drag. From floorboards or something. Anyway... yeah, as he said, get out and find adventure. Get out and ride. And guys, when you do, have fun, be safe, and we're going to see y'all on the next video. Bye.